just in case you need to know. I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more. Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more than before. Even on the days I'm not so sure, I fall in love with you a little bit more. Thought I knew every little thing about you. There's always more of you to learn. You try your best to show your worst, baby, you can rest assured I'll always be here for you, always be here for you. Oh.
Yun.
Saan na naman tayo? Oh,
Dilim dito sa Osaka, Jo, no?
ayun, wala na po dyan. Ayun, dyan. Sobrang buhay lang dito pag may cherry blossom. Jogging. Anong oras na ba?
Oras na para matulog.
Jogging pa ang mga tao.
Pagod na ako, lalakad pa.
Ano? Ah?
Ganda.
Walang tao. Perfect.
Time check, 8:40 p.m. At ganito nga dito sa may Osaka Jo or Osaka Castle. Grabe no, sobrang ganda ng castle. Lalo na kapag gabi na at nakailaw siya na ganyan. Perfect time dahil wala gaanong tao. Madalas pag pumupunta ako dito, marami talagang tao. At syempre aminin mo, isa talaga sa pinunta natin dito ang mag-picture taking. Lalo na kapag tourist kayo, syempre gusto nyo makuhanan ng maganda yung mismong Osaka Castle with winter lights. Perfect time ang ganitong pagpunta. Yung mga past 8:30 na, lalo na kung hindi nyo naman aakyatin yung castle at gusto nyo lang talaga mag-picture taking. Holiday season ngayon kaya naka-open talaga siya. Dito na kami dumaan para makuhanan na malapitan yung castle. Papunta kami ng Osaka Illuminage or Illumination. So this 2025, nag-start ito ng November 1 and up to February 1, 2026 pa siya. So 2,000 yen for adults and 1,000 yen for child or 1 to 12 years old. You'll really say yes dito. Lalo na yung feeling mo solong-solo mo yung lugar dahil nga hindi na masyadong crowded. It's a yes! Osaka Castle Illuminage. O diba, akala mo nag-proposal eme na. Wrong place, hindi daw pala dito. Hi! Thank you guys for watching. Wishing you all the best this year 2026.
Wait. Okay, lakad mo bagal. Lakad mo bagal.